It can be easy to act like everything is fine when you have a lot of debt, until it catches up with you one day. It can only be gotten rid of by facing it straight on, even if you'd rather stick your head in the sand and pretend it doesn't exist. It won't stay hidden forever. So, if you want to know how to get out of debt, you've come to the right place. Here are 10 ways to help you get out of debt faster. But before we start the countdown, help us reach more people by subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon. So let's start. Number 1. Cut those coupons. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but are you actually doing it? If you show a coupon to the cashier, you can save a lot of money. Just make sure you use coupons for things you already buy, or you might spend too much on things you'll never use. Number 2. Try consignment shopping. Kids outgrow their clothes as fast as light. And let's be honest, it's not worth going into debt to keep up with your 2-year constantly changing style. Check out the consignment stores in your area. They sell used clothes that are still in good shape. And if you'd rather shop online, sites like ThreadUp and Swap.com are great places to find cheap clothes for adults and kids. Number 3. Cut the cable. Welcome to the 21st century, where most of your favorite shows can be watched online. If you haven't already, cut the cord. Put that $100 cable bill toward your debt each month, and you'll be amazed at how fast your debt starts to grow. Number 4. Stop going out to eat. We get it. Going to a restaurant or hitting up the drive-thru is so much easier than making meals at home. But even though it's nice not to have to cook for those picky eaters, you spend a lot more when you eat out than when you cook at home. Instead of going out to eat, invite your friends over for a taco night. We won't judge you if you want to spend a lot on guacamole. Number 5. Plan meals. So, if you don't want to eat out, how can you do this meals at home thing without getting stressed out? Plan your meals now. The amount of money you spend on food each month will go down. That means you can use more of your hard-earned money to pay off your debt. Number 6. Break up with your barista. If you don't know where all your money goes each month, your favorite coffee shop can probably help you figure it out. One easy way to save money quickly is to make your own coffee at home. Number 7. Visit the library. Remember libraries? You can check out a lot of books and movies for free. Movie night has never been better for your wallet than it is now. Number 8. Plan your grocery trips. Make a list and do what's on it. Use the calculator app on your phone as you shop to make sure you don't go over your budget. Do you always buy things you don't need? Try ordering your groceries online and picking them up at the curb. Oh, and never go shopping when you're hungry. Number 9. Avoid expensive hobbies. Do you really want to spend $200 a month on golf? Are you serious? But club dues need to be rethought by more than just golfers. You spend a lot of money at craft stores, but you never start your project. You can also spend a lot of money in one trip to a home improvement store. Number 10. Ditch the gym membership. You can still run outside, and it won't cost you anything. Start a running club with your friends, or you could do one of those fancy heat workouts at a park near you. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get fit and healthy. Then, put everything you save toward your goal of being debt-free. If you like these kinds of video, please give us a thumbs up, and a sub to the channel will be amazing. We have something you might want to check out in the description below. Thanks for watching.